Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on the eye look I'm wearing right now that I created using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. So there's a few reasons why I decided to go this route today. One is because today is when the time changes, so it's going to be getting darker later, and that just reminds me that spring is right around the corner and actually feels like spring has been here for a while in Georgia, so I've already been in the spring mood. Secondly, I've been wanting to do a series on my channel where I use older palettes that I haven't used in a while or that you just don't see anymore, because I've got so many palettes in my collection and they just get pushed to the back and I just forget about them because every time something new comes out, that's all that I use, and then the cycle repeats itself and I've got all these palettes that I don't hardly ever use. So I wanted to create a series where I use older palettes and kind of do a tutorial based on just that palette. So today I decided to use the Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. And thirdly, I just recently saw that Too Faced put this palette on sale on their website. So now you can get this palette for $18 instead of $36, which I think is a great deal because I love this palette. So if you don't have the colors that I used in today's look in your own collection, then I would highly suggest picking this up while it's on sale. I'm not sure if Too Faced is discontinuing this palette or not, but if they are, I would highly recommend getting it before it goes on sale. I just think it's such a good palette, and it's such a good neutral palette especially, and it does have those two pops of color, but it's a very, very wearable palette. So if you are into warm neutrals, I definitely think you should pick this up, especially while it's on sale for half off. So if you want to see how I got this look using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, then just keep watching. So to start off this look, I've already done my foundation, my eyebrows, and I have primed my eyes so they're all ready to go. So we're just going to jump right in, and I'm starting out, I'm going to be using this color here called Peanut Butter. And we're just going to start by putting that in the crease. Going in with the shade Extra Creamy, and I'm going to be putting that right on the brow bone. I wanted to do this step first, but I forgot because I wanted the peanut butter shade to have something to blend into, and that way the white wouldn't be so harsh, but it's not that big a deal because we're going to go in with other crease shades, so then it will blend out all together anyway. Going into the shade right here called Nuts About You, and I'm just going to take that on a smaller crease brush and we're going to pack that into the outer V. Now I'm just going to stamp the color right now into the outer corner, and then we'll go back in and blend it out. Going in with the shade Peanut Butter, which is right here, and I'm going to take that on a flat packing brush and stamp that onto the lid, but I don't want to bring it all the way into the inner corner. Going back into Nuts About You, I'm going to pack that onto the outer V again. Now, because I want that lid shade to be a little bit more shimmery, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter and spritz my brush, that way it has a little bit more pigment. Now going in with the shade Bananas, I'm just going to pop that onto the inner corner and onto the eyelid. Okay, so I am finished with the lids. Now I'm going to go on and finish the rest of my face. One thing to note, I forgot how much fallout was in this palette, so I don't know if you can see, but it's quite a bit of fallout. So I wish I would have waited to do my foundation because it's still a little tacky, so all that is sticking. But I'm going to go in with my concealer and hopefully clean all that up. But I'll be right back and we will work on the lower lash line. Okay, so I have finished the rest of my face makeup. And now we're going to start on the lower lash line. So first I'm going to go in with my ColourPop eyeliner in the shade Piggy Bank, which is a really pretty purple color. And I'm just going to take that right on the waterline and a little bit on the lower lash line. Now on a pointed pencil brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Jelly, and I'm going to smudge that onto the lower lash line. So today I'm going to be using a purple mascara to tie in with the waterline. So I'm going to apply that off camera as well as my lips, and I'll be right back. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this look is super easy to recreate, and I think it is super easy for a beginner to do. And I just love this palette, and I love incorporating color when I can. And I think this is a very wearable way to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and always remember to stay trendy.